Two engineers, the same AI model. One copy-paste files all day, the other connects tools. One is chatting, the other is building. The difference is MCP, Model Context Protocol. If you want your AI to actually work for you, these are the 8 MCP tools you must try right now. Number 8 is Vercel. Suppose you deploy an application and it failed. Now you leave your editor, open Vercel, open deployments, scroll logs and search for the failure logs. You see what just happened? Your focus is gone. But with the Vercel MCP, your AI connects directly to your deployments. You just give it a prompt, get the latest deployment logs, and why did the build fail? It will pull the logs, find the exact error, and also suggest the fix. You stay in the flow. The hobby tier for this MCP is free. Pro starts at $20 per user. Number 7 is Docker. And this solves a very common problem. It works on my machine, but not on CI. So now you're comparing Docker files, environment variables, checking base images. With Docker MCP, your AI can inspect the container directly. You just give it a prompt, why does this container fail in CI but not locally? Now it will check Docker file, build logs, layer cache, environment differences. So you're not guessing anymore. If you run containers, this becomes very powerful very quickly. Most Docker MCP setups are self-hosted or open source, so there's no direct subscription cost for the MCP itself. You only pay for your infrastructure. For container workflows, this is a massive productivity boost. Number 6 is Apify. Every time you say that you need data from a website, you're basically building a web scraper. And scrapers break. Either the selector has changed or the layout has been shifted. But Apify removes all this drama. You use maintained scrapers, over 2,000 actors. You just give it a prompt, find all IT companies in Hyderabad using Google Maps, export name, website, phone number, save as CSV. Done. $5 free credits monthly, paid plans start around $49. If your app depends on outside data, this is an important MCP to leverage. Number 5 is Playwright, and this is my most favorite. Apify collects data, Playwright performs actions. It gives your AI a controllable browser. Click, type, scroll, upload, download. Need to log into a legacy dashboard, handle two-step verification, download a daily report. Done. Runs locally, runs in CI, and is free of cost. And I've already made a full Playwright MCP playlist on this channel with real examples and setups. Go check that now. Number 4 is Ref. Now here's the problem. You ask AI about a certain library. Now it goes and searches the entire documentation, thousands of lines, history, tutorials, examples. All of this for one function. Ref solves this. It lets the AI ask the documentation a very specific question. So instead of read the Playwright docs, your prompt would be, what are the parameters for page.wait for selector? It returns only that function, just the signature, just that explanation. No extra noise. It's free for public documentation, paid plans if you want to index your private docs. If you use large libraries, these keeps your AI focused and efficient. Number 3 is Filesystem MCP. Without this, your AI only sees the code you paste. So if you paste one file, it suggests a change. But it doesn't know where that function is used, what depends on it, and what are the files imported. It's working in isolation. With Filesystem MCP, the AI can see a whole project. You just put in find unused components. It scans the entire SRC folder, and now it understands relationships and not just snippets. It's free, runs locally, and if you want project level changes, this is what makes it possible. Number 2 is Exa. Google is built for humans, ads, SEO, and Exa is built for AI. It searches by meaning and returns structured results. You give it a prompt, find discussion about this race condition in React 2026. It pulls the GitHub issue, the relevant thread, and the actual fix. 1000 free requests and paid starts around 50 per month. If you work with fast-moving stacks, Exa will make it faster. And the last on the list is sequential thinking. Models love answering fast, but sometimes too fast. Sequential thinking helps them to plan first and then answer. It breaks the problem down, lists assumptions, outlines steps, and then generates code. Use this for architecture, complex debugging, or system design. It's not for simple scripts, it is for serious logic. It's free, it's open source. Sequential thinking is the difference between guessing and engineering. With these tools chained together, you stop pasting context and start connecting systems. If you found this video helpful, like it and subscribe to my channel for more such content.